How to resize photo and reduce photo file size in iPhone without losing its quality. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can resize photo and reduce photo file size in iPhone without losing its quality. So let's get started. First, head over to the photo that you want to reduce the size of. So let's say this is the photo that I want to reduce the file size of. So if you're on a photo, if you swipe up at it, you'll find the information for the photo. As you can see right here, this photo takes up to 160 KB, which is not a lot, but we'll still try and reduce it. So for this, what you'll need to do is open up our WhatsApp. On our WhatsApp, head over to any page or any group or DM that you're comfortable with, and then share the photo. So let's tap on this option, tap on photos and select the photo. And here, make sure that you've turned on the HD option here on the top right to make sure that the photo that you send is in HD. Then tap on share and you'll have shared the photo in HD quality. After you've done that, you can then open up the photo, which is in HD. Then tap on this bottom left corner option on the share and then tap on save. Doing this, you'll save the HD photo on your iPhone again. So let's go back and search for the photo that we just saved, which is right here. Now, as you can see, this is the HD photo that we just downloaded. So if we swipe up at it, we'll notice that it has reduced from 160 to 98 KB. Now, this is how you can resize photo and reduce photo file size. Also, what you can do is you can do this the same for any videos or any other heavier photos on your iPhone as well. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.